This one is a compare window pane with also extra information to pay attention to. It says Caitlin has 18 crayons, 10 markers, and 5 pencils. How many more crayons than markers does Caitlin have? So our key word in knowing that it's a compare problem is, it says, how many more? More is our key word for compare. More crayons than markers. Does is not important. Caitlin is who we're talking about. And have is not an important word. So we're going to be comparing more crayons than markers. And Caitlin. So, who's in the story? Caitlin has 18 crayons. We're talking about Caitlin. Do we want the crayons? Is crayons in our main idea? Yes. So, crayons, 18. And since we know we're going to be comparing them, we need numbers in the boxes. And as we begin to get into the larger numbers, you might run out of space, and that's okay, just do the best you can. Okay, so I have 18 crayons, 10 markers. Am I talking about markers? Yes. So again, it's Caitlin's, and they're markers this time. But there's only about 10, and so that box is smaller. And if you notice, when we compare, we line them up. So we go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. And it says, how many more? Well, here are the more, and that's the answer you're looking for. And it said 5 pencils, but the question didn't ask us about pencils. So that's something you can just scribble out so you can make sure you don't get confused. So when we're comparing two numbers, we always want the biggest number first because we're looking for how much is more, and that's a smaller part. So we know 18 is our larger number, minus 10. So there are 8 more of the crayons. This is also a subtract. When we say subtract, we say difference. And this is called compare. Nothing went away. We didn't have a whole number and some of these were one thing and some of them were the other. We wanted to know, what is the difference between them? How many are more? And so it's blank from blank. And again, you take these two numbers. 18 goes at the end. 10 goes at the front.